Welcome to Mirror True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mirror True Life Story. God bless you as you do so. My lovely fans, ó ti finish here. You don't finish me. Ó ti finish. You don't finish. I don't know who advised this man. Oh. I don't know if it is Juju Ekwensu or is the father that advised this man. They just finished this man. The person that advised you is his worst enemy. They want to end this man. My lovely fans. Hey. Ó ti gbàjẹ́ for you. My people. Evidence na water. Evidence na water. Yo was already inside fire for this court divorce case between him and May Edochie, because May Edochie came up with everything May Edochie said. She have evidence to back it up. That means Yo was already inside the fire burning. This man decided to add fuel to that fire. Now the juju, now they pursue Yo to put his hand into waiting go buy him. I been at the abomination they push on. They do all these things. What is really wrong? Can somebody tell me what is really going on in Yo's life? Something is definitely wrong somewhere. Have you seen the post that Daniela posted today? Hope you have your evidence, Yo. There are lots that came with that statement. Make una carry check, carry juko. Make una konye matter. Yo, I don't know who advised him, like I said, whether my papa, whether na Juju Ekwensu, I don't know. A case that is already in the court, where it don't almost come to an end, where evidence back up and everything. Yo went to his lawyer and came up with another evidence from nowhere with his lawyer, sending a direct message to the court that they should arrest May Edochie. Hey! They should arrest May Edochie for lying against him, for giving wrong information about him, for destroying his name, for saying evidence that are not real in the courts. So your lawyer right now is asking the court for another audience in the court. To your lawyer, they need to arrest May Edochie. Yes, they need to arrest her. Because everything she said about you is not true. You have come up with this evidence. That is what he wrote to the courts. Yo said in the marriage, he said he was the victim. He said now he be the victim. He said now he suffer everything. He said May Edochie was in control. He said he never have peace in his marriage. He said May Edochie was giving him hell. That was why he ran outside. He said May Edochie was in control of the money and everything. He said no as May Edochie take transact everything, where everything come dey head. He said he's innocent. Before they go come judge this matter, he cannot keep it anymore. He want to voice it out. Even if they arrest him, because he know that May Edochie have the connection to arrest him. Even if they arrest him and they ask him to pay, he said, but he want to voice out the truth. Let the world know the truth. He's innocent. May Edochie has been the one destroying their marriage. He even went as far, as saying that May Edochie pushed him outside. Marriage without knocking. That May Edochie refused to knock him. He have to go and meet Juju Ekwensu to knock him. That's why he give Juju Ekwensu belle. After he don't give Juju Ekwensu belle, did he go with Juju Ekwensu? No, he still came back begging this summer. He screenshot all the pleas where he please May Edochie, all the beg, screenshot all as an evidence. He came back begging May Edochie. Did May Edochie accept him? No. Why did she refuse? She already has somebody in her life. He said he worked hard in Hollywood. He worked so hard. He not dey sleep. Sometimes 3 locations, 4 locations, 2 o'clock in the night. He's shooting movie just for them to build a Jamashon. But today, Imi Edochie threw him out of his house. That house is his house. They threw him out. What do they want from him? What do they want? You said he want to be silent because of his children. But now he's no longer silent. The truth must prevail. That was his message to the courts. So, I don't want to say a lot of things that you said. Hey. So, you said a lot of things about me, Edochie. Like this man spoiled this woman's name. Believe me, he spoiled this woman's name. No kind of thing where you not talk about me, Edochie. Even the courts, they were shocked. He said he has been patient. This man, do you know? Make I just give on only one point of this story. You brought out a lot of evidence. I don't know where for see. Carry, go drop for courts. Say May Edochie need to be arrested with immediate effect. She need to vacate her Jamashon with immediate effect for all the lies they lied on him. He did not want to talk. He was afraid to talk. But now, he don't care. Anything can happen. He has come out to say the truth. Now May Edochie lawyer write letter immediately to May Edochie. Say, see what is happening now. You don't know what they happen to you. You have come up with another kind of strange lie when they shock them. See the kind thing where you talk. Now May Edochie say, okay, no problem. She will look into it. Now May Edochie say what? Now May Edochie lawyer tell May Edochie say this is what is happening. They send it to the court and another audience. They go audience for this one. Because you don't cry, come out, don't bring evidence and everything. Now May Edochie say evidence as how. They can't explain, give May Edochie. Now May Edochie say no problem. Let them meet in the court. She herself, she is curious to see the evidence where you get. Now May Edochie can't tell Daniela. Say, Daniela, see what is happening. As he tell Daniela, now Daniela say, okay, no problem. You saying get evidence. Say you do this, you do that, you do this, you do that. Okay, no problem. Daniela, now Daniela and Kai, they go record, they go bring out their evidence. Not all. Hey, not all. Out of 100%, just 10% of the evidence. They brought it out. They record it. They post it to you. They post it to his father. They post it to his elder brother. They post it to his second brother. They post it to his third brother. They post it to his sister. Before woman they come outside, before man or woman they come outside say I won't misbehave. Sometimes look at the children you have, especially when they don't grow. There are kind of children where be say their papa go drink for outside. They'll rush, go outside, go use shame, carry and come his house. There are some children where be say their papa, if he's a drunkard, now from outside they go beat and come his house. They go beat that drink, come up for your eye. So when your children don't grow, you act according to what you know they can deliver. Daniela and Kai, without May Edochie notification, because if they tell May Edochie go say no. Now they pack this evidence, just 10%, to the whole family of Yul Edochie. Grandpapa see evidence, they cry. All of them don't begin they call, na. Everywhere they hold. As they call Daniela no pick. She don't send, go give them. She not pick their call. She call right. Say that thing where you talk. Hope you have evidence. Okay? You get evidence to prove for court. You get evidence. Because in your life, everything you do, keep receipt. Them they have receipts. My lovely fans, the evidence with the Daniela carry. You know, say May Edochie has get CCTV camera. May Edochie have hidden CCTV camera that you does not have idea of. The one when you know, if you won't do bad, they go off those ones. But the ones where you don't know, they all have all the record of you. All the record. If you see what they post, go give you. Juju Ekwesu way deny. No, we were just colleagues. Juju Ekwesu way they say no to Ajamasho. Juju Ekwesu was in May Edochie matrimonial bed. Lagos girl you want to play. A child that was born and brought up in Lagos. Now you only wear Enugu. Only wear Enugu. You say you want to play with her intelligence. Inside May Edochie camera was an hidden CCTV camera. Because she knows, say this man. When man don't waka don't they get leg, the wife is always the first person to know. There are a lot of changes. The man might not know, but the woman knows that things have changed. I love it, Chinese. My lovely fans, that was how the Daniela pack everything will give you. You don't weak. Body don't weak, you. The reason why they did not bring out this evidence was they already have enough. Enough. May Edochie say no. If now bring out this one, that my order finish. Let's keep this one. Everything that happened, the discussion of Yo and Juju Ekwesu in the parlor of Ajamasho. Una think say Juju Ekwesu na from distance. Now you see Ajamasho. Now she rush go born pikin for Ajamasho. No. She have been there. She has slept there. She has stayed there. Why May Edochie will travel to Enugu with her children to spend the Christmas with her father-in-law and mother-in-law? Normal traditional life where you pack the grandchildren to be with their grandparents. You will just carry Juju Ekwesu come May Edochie house. Juju Ekwesu's sister don't go there. Sleep there. Can you imagine how wicked a man can be in their matrimonial bed? They have everything, but yet their silence was so loud that nobody even heard about it. Now you go wake sleeping dog. Daniela don't post 10% of the evidence of what they have. You don't weak. All the Edochie family don't they call. Now May Edochie now they call they disturb now. May Edochie say what they happen. They say see. May Edochie say no hear this one. I don't know when this one for happen. When did it happen? How did it happen? I laugh in Chinese. How? When? They say na the Daniela poster. And they send the video, come give them. This man already have a problem of his own. Instead of him to just quietly, he wants them to arrest May Edochie. You see the reason why I tell una say, if now you get the evidence we May Edochie get, you for not pity May Edochie. You see this pigamy when May Edochie they say no, let him be. You for not pity May Edochie. If for not think twice before he say put her in court, put her in prison. Because of fake evidence, when he go carry come, he say May Edochie should go to the prison. He say he work hard in Nollywood. Money where you work for Nollywood. Juju Ekwesu and different upcoming actress. Now he chop you money. If he collect money, go just go lodge 2 women for hotel. Go they enjoy life. The same thing where they do Juju Ekwesu now. Una not say he don't abandon Juju Ekwesu for Abuja. Once he just enter Asaba joint, in Nicodemus joint, you don't know whether Juju Ekwesu they exist again. No. The same thing he did with his money. Why May Edochie was busy working, saving, creating, building. Me Edochie did everything on her own. That's why she said she can never be no bad. How now? How? No be say this man even help me. No be say this man even give me a happy hand. To the extent where they build us, you no know. You go say I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy. Ask Plan, no know where they for draw. Ask him whether I know. The end of the day, you won't carry woman come house. Who born monkey? Who born monkey? Wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. Hey, Daniela Bikono. They say Peter Edochie don't they cry. If they carry this matter go court like this, his son go jail. Like I said, I don't want to say everything when he did for that camera. If you now see wetin they cash you they do. Now see wetin they cash and they do for inside me Edochie house. Everything where they talk about me Edochie. Clip where they send go give you won't buy. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. They made Edochie gather evidence. Evidence na water. Receipt na water. Paper na water. Evidence full everywhere. Chai, my wonderful fans. This is the end of yo. This is the end. We just pray may they not carry this thing go court. As they don't send this one go give you may just withdraw wetin get for them, make it enter house. Because if this one go court, yo, bye-bye yo. Bye-bye, adios. Adios, bye-bye. Your own don't finish with that. You must enter jail. You did a lot in that Jamasho. Now don't see where they bury juju. Where they put something for door. As Juju Ekwe so they go put something for door. If me Edochie come, they cross them. Something will happen to them. CCTV camera carry all. May Edochie did not just walk away one day. The woman eyes don't see. CCTV camera capture everything. And this whole thing started when May Edochie started. This whole thing started when May Edochie noticed that you don't they sleep around. Now there May Edochie come put CCTV camera for everywhere to the capture you. It did not end there. May Edochie he said you say May Edochie no longer give him Nakademus. That's why I go outside. No. May Edochie stop giving you Nakademus the moment a spirit rejected him. May Edochie anytime when you won't sleep near and the woman not they feel anything again. Like a spirit rejected him. And there is evidence for May Edochie to give in the court why she refused you. Do you know why? In that same CCTV camera, we had two of them for the talk of the sickness where they carry give each other. My lovely fans, two of them, they carry Uturomokbo for head. They carry waiting past them for head. Which woman won't hear that one we won't pull leg for your husband? Even if they say the man get one kind of Uturomokbo, is she V? If the person get she V, if now you, even if they put catapult, 10 catapults take over the Ebola, will you shoot it inside your peperipe? You cannot try it. You can't try it. That fear alone, say this person, get this thing. You don't go even want me a finger, even touch you. Now they can't even they follow they drink, they say water. Before their cup, nobody won't follow they drink water for their cup. Am I lying? Now you see me the woman open leg. She have her evidence. The reason why she stopped opening her leg. Evidence now water. You don't finish you. Now they beg. All the family they beg. The Daniela no pico. They say this matter will go court. They pity you. So okay, may they just do the divorce because there is no need of say me call the dragon, not dragon. According to May Edochie, she said she don't want dragging. Make everybody just work out their own go. Because there is nothing like coming back together. No. It can never be possible. Make everybody work out their own. So she don't want trouble. Let them just, May Edochie was let the divorce just come. Make everybody go their way. That was her own. But as you say, evidence na water. The may do she don't bring their own. The Daniela don't go bring everything come aside. They don't pack everything come aside. But they don't pose you. The same video go give una auto. They say una auto don't they cry. They cry. For now, we don't know who give you your idea to do what he did. But believe me, the person will give you that idea. That person wants them to lock him up. Because waiting there inside the evidence of Daniela, my lovely fans, is unspeakable. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.